Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to start the lesson from history. In history, there are more lessons they have given. Because of Corona, they have deleted more lessons. So in this year, you are going to read only 3 lessons. How many lessons? 3 lessons. What are the 3 lessons? First, French Revolution. Second one, socialism in Europe. Third one, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. The 3 lessons we are going to study. First lesson, the French Revolution. What happened in French? First, before independence, what happened in French? What are the problems faced by the French people? So, how they got freedom from the nobility and the higher authority peoples? So, we are going to learn about in this session French Revolution. As on the morning 14th July 1789, the city of Paris was in state of alarm. This is history lesson. I want to teach you line by line. Otherwise, you can't get good marks in social science. Have you seen the result of 10th standard? In social science, more than out of 16 students, 15 students got more than 80 marks. Okay, they have read line by line. So you also give important for history. Not only history, all the part of social science, line by line. If you are reading line by line, you can get good marks. Okay, first on the 14th July, city Paris was they have alarm. What is the alarm? The king had commanded troops move into city. King sent the army to in the city, and the rumor was spread to all over. King's ordered to shoot the 7,000 men and women. Yeah, this is the rumor, not a real one. Rumor gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form people's militia. So the people thought king shoot the people. So 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the palace. They broke into a number of government buildings. Yes, they organized. Okay, they organized a group of people and destroyed the buildings of government. Finally, a group of several hundred people marched towards eastern part of the city and stormed to fortress prison, the Bastille. Bastille is one of the largest prison in France. What is that? Largest prison, Siraichaalai, where they hoped to find hoard ammunition. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of the Bastille was killed and prisoners released as kings were prison more people. What is that? More people in the jail வந்து நிறைய பேர் போட்டாங்க சரியா. So the people destroy the Bastille prison and release all the accused and leaders. So the fortress was demolished and its stone fragments were sold in the market to all those who wished to keep servant of its destruction. Yes, those which people want to celebrate this, they can buy the stone of Bastille. Buy the stone of Bastille. This is the Bastille prison. Okay. So next, the day that followed saw more rioting. Rioting and kilarchi. Rioting both in Paris and the countryside. Not only in city, in village side also. So many problems are there. So most people were protesting against the high price of bread. So many people are not having bread. We are eating rice, they are eating bread. So they are not having to eat any piece of food. So they are fighting with the king. Much later, when historians looked back When historians looked back upon this time, they saw it as the beginning of the chain of events that ultimately led to execution of the king in France, though most of people at the time did not anticipate this outcome. So what happened? All the people turned against the king and they want to kill the king. So first topic, French society during the late 18th century. 18th century means what is that? 700 to 800. 1700 to 1800. Okay, this is called what is that? 18th century. Late 18th century mean, okay, 1774. So this is the late, as after 50, that is called late 18th century. So 1774, Louis XVI, he is the king of Bourbon family. What is that? Bourbon family. Louis XVI, king of, ascended to throne of France. He became the king of France. இவர் வந்து கிங்கா வராரு. King of France. He was 20. How many years? When he was a king, 20 years old. How many years old? 20 years old, and married Austrian princess இளவரசி. Austrian princess Mary Antoinette. When he became king, he faced more problems, as upon his accession the new king found empty treasury. There is no money in the treasury. Okay, so why? Because long years of war had trained financial resource of France. Before him, so many kings were ruled France. They have fight with all other countries. Because of the war, they lost the money. Added to this was cost of maintaining an extravagant court at the immense place of Versailles. They have made war long time. Under Louis XVI, France helped 13, not only fighting with the war, even though the king Louis XVI helped American colonies to gain their independence from common enemy of Britain. On the time, most of the countries were occupied by Britain, England. So on the time, France helped American colonies to get freedom from Britain. So in the war, added more billion lives. We are telling rupees, no, so they are telling livres. Okay, to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. So lenders na kadan koduthavanga, lenders who gave the state credit now began to charge 10%. So for per 100 rupees, 10 rupees is interest means vatti on loan. So the French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of its budget on interest payment alone. So they want to increase the budget because they want to pay the interest. They want to pay the 10% of interest. So it is very difficult for Louis XVI. So the French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of the budget in interest payment alone to meet its regular expenses, such as the cost of maintaining army. As they want to spend the army, they want to pay the salary of army people, the court, running government offices. Those are working in government office, they want to pay the salary. So universities, the state forced to increase the taxes. After that, for that they will need more money. Thus the government, how the government get money? They want to increase the taxes. So yet even this measure would not have sufficed. Yes, if they are increasing also, the money is not enough. So French society in 18th century was divided into 3 states. How many states? 3 states. Yes, first state clergy. Other than first state clergy, second estate 3 estate ma. First estate clergy, second estate nobility, third estate people. Who are they? Big businessman, merchant, court official, lawyer, peasant. Very important. What is that? Peasant, artisan, small peasant, landless, labor, servant. They are third estate people. But first estate people, clergy people, second estate clergy people, second estate people, nobility. Second estate people is nobility people. Yes. The society estates were part of feudal system. They have maximum. But the first 2 estate people are not paying any taxes. 3 estate I told you. First estate nobility people, clergy people, nobility people not paying any tax. Full the taxes were paid by third estate people. So they were too worried. Okay, feel about they can't pay amount. So society of estate was part of feudal system. Yes, because of birth. that dated back to Middle Age. The term old regime is usually used to describe the society, institution in France before 1789, because 1789 is the French Revolution. When the French Revolution happened? 1789. Yes, figure 2. Yes, this one is showing what is the percentage of the people. Yes, third estate people, how many percentage? 90% of the people, third estate people. But these two estate people only having 60% of the land. 90% of the people are here, but they are not having land. Yes, most of the land, 60% of the land occupied by first two estate people. They are telling here. Peasants made up 90% of the population. Peasants, vyavasaya, farmers. However, only small number of owned the land. The 90% of the people not having land. A small people only, 40% of the people only having land. But 60% of the land was owned by nobles, the church and the other richer member of the third estate. So the member of the first two estate, that is clergy and nobility, enjoyed certain privileges by birth. Salugaigal. Okay, privileges means salugaigal. They are not paying any tax, they are enjoying. But who were suffer? Third estate people. Yes, first estate people, second estate people not paying any tax. Third estate people only paying tax. So the two were enjoyed. The third estate people were suffered. The most important of this was exemption from paying taxes to state. The two people are not paying taxes. The noble further enjoyed feudal privileges. Salgaigal, they have enjoyed very well. This included feudal due which they extracted from the peasant. Peasants were obliged to render service to the lord, to work in this house and field, to serve army. The third estate people doing everything, but the second estate and first estate were not doing anything but enjoyed. The church, yes, the church people also collected some taxes, that is called tithes. What is that? Tithe. The church too extracted the share of taxes called tithes from the peasant. And finally, all members of third estate had to pay taxes to state. All the third estate people paying taxes. Okay, these included direct taxes. What the direct taxes called tile, and a number of indirect taxes which were levied on articles of everyday consumption like salt and tobacco. For that also they made taxes. So the burden of financing activities of the state through taxes was borne by third estate alone. So full and full which people affected? Third estate people, not first estate or second estate people. Third estate people only affected. Look at the picture. So the noblemen are spider, peasant fly. Okay, the poor people were affected more than devils has more than want. Yes, devil, they are acting like a devil. ஒரு பேய் மாதிரி நடந்துக்கிறாங்க, பிசாசு போல எல்லாத்தையும் சுரண்டி எடுக்கிறாங்க. Okay, they have collected everything from the third estate people. So struggle to survive. How the third estate people survive? That is very struggle, very difficult to survive. The population of France rose 23 million in 23 million when 1715, 73 million. At the same time 28 million in 1789. So population were increased. So for that we want to increase the food facilities also. So but they are not improving the agriculture and food facilities. This led to a rapid increase in the demand for food grains. So they need more food. So production of grains could not keep pace with the demand. So the price of bread, which was the stable diet of the majority of the rabbit. Most of the people eating bread, but the bread is not enough for all the people. Most workers were employed as labor and workshop owned to fix their wages. Yes, most of the people own employee, but the owner of the shop not giving enough of salary. They are giving little salary because they only fix the salary. But the wages did not keep pace with the rise in prices. So the gap between the poor and the rich widened. So poor people hated the rich people. Things become worse whenever drought or hail reduced the harvest. If any flood பஞ்சம் வறட்சி வந்துச்சுன்னா அப்பவும் கஷ்டம். So this led to subsistence crisis, something that occurred frequently France during the old regime. So third estate people were affected very bad. Next topic, growing middle class envisages end to privilege. So in the past, peasants and workers had participated in revolt against the increasing taxes and food security. How can they paid the amount? It is not possible. So they opposed the king, but they lacked the means and program to carry out full-scale measures that would bring about a change in socio-economic order. This was left those groups within the third estate who had become prosperous and had access to education, new ideas. So after that, the third estate people also improving themselves and they are studying and get good jobs. So the 18th century witnessed the emergence of social group termed the middle class who earned their wealth through an expanding overseas trade from the manufacturing of goods such as woolen and silk textiles that were either exported or bought by the richer member of the society. So 18th century was the people they trade with the other countries. Because of that they are earning money. They are going to other countries and earning money, and then they making manufacturing some goods like woolen silk textiles. So they are selling that and earning money. In addition to merchant and manufacture, the third estate included profession there such as lawyer, administrative official. Some people become lawyer and administration official because of education. All of these were educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. So now in third estate, most of the people get knowledge and become good position. So they ready to oppose the first two estate people by the privilege. சலுகை, எந்த சலுகையும் அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? These ideas envisaging a society based on freedom and equal laws opportunity for all were put forward the philosophers such as John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The two people are telling yes, all the human beings are same. By birth, we don't want to give any privileges to first estate people or second estate people. All are equal. Rousseau is telling all are equal. In his two treatises of government, Locke sought to refute the doctrine of the divine and the absolute right. What are the problems? What are the rights? Rights of monarch. Rousseau carried the idea forward, proposing a form of government based on social content between people and the representative. In spirit of the law, Montesquieu wrote the book The Spirit of Law, proposed a division of power within the government between legislative and the executive and the judiciary. What is the legislative? Member of legislature, MLA, MP. Yes, people selected some people. Executive and the judiciary. What is the power? Who explained? Montesquieu. Okay, this model of government was put into force in the USA. Yes, they take the model from USA after the 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain. The American Constitution and its guarantee of individual right was an important example of political thinkers in France. So the 13 colonies, France only helped first. Okay, so these problems everything discussed in saloon shop. Yes, நம்ம சலூனுக்கு போவோம்ல. Yes, saloon shop and coffee houses and spread among people through books and newspaper. So people get more information and they become knowledge. These were frequently read aloud for the benefit of those who could not read and write. Some people are uneducated, so For them, the educated people reading the newspaper and the book louder, they are hearing and know about the information. Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to be able to meet the expenses of the state, generated anger and protest against the system of privilege. So in this time, the King Louis XVI makes some benefit for the third estate people. Okay, the first topic over. You can read the first topic fully, line by line. This is very very important. So next topic we can see in next video. Thank you.